Fire in the Blackstone hole, let's make a salad. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to my Blackstone griddle. Today I'm making a salad. So I'm making some bacon. That's how you make a salad, right? Bacon? Isn't that the first thing you put on your salad? The first thing I'm putting on my salad, bacon. Well, I'm just cooking up some bacon to put on the salad. You're gonna see. You'll see. This is a taco salad. So it's gonna have a lot of meat on it and some bacon, of course. We gotta cook my bacon up, and I wanna get the bacon fat on the griddle so I cook everything else in the bacon fat. So let me get my bacon cooked up, getting it done right now on the Blackstone. There's nothing like bacon on the Blackstone. It cooks the best bacon. Let me get the bacon done and I'll come back and start this cook. Stay tuned. Okay, I got plenty of bacon fat on my griddle, so now we can throw down some onions. Onion! You take away my onions, I can't cook. Gotta saute some onions a little bit, cook them up a little bit on the Blackstone. Looking good. Onion. And we'll come back for the next step. Stay tuned. Okay, the onions are cooked up. We're gonna throw down some chopped meat, some chopped beef that we're going to throw down right there. Not that part. And I've got some chopped sausage meat that I'm going to throw down. And the sausage meat has cheese in it already. And we're going to season this up with some of my root boy rub, number 2. You know what? We haven't given away any root boy rub in a long time. And number 2 root boy rub is perfect for tacos or chili, that kind of stuff. So if you want some root boy rub, be a subscriber. Leave a comment on this video and tell me if you like number 1, number 2, or both. Some people don't like the number 1 rub so much. Some people like the number 2 better. So let me know if you like number 1 or number 2 or both. Maybe a little bit more of that rub on there. Won't hurt it. Good stuff. And the onions and the beef and the sausage, we're going to cook that all up together. This is a taco salad. Going to mix that all together. The sausage has a lot of cheese in it already, but that's okay, because we're going to put even more cheese on this salad in a little bit. Anyway, let me get the beef cooked up. And we're almost ready to assemble this mess. Believe it or not. Oh yeah, we got some more stuff to cook, but yeah, let's cook up the beef, the meat, the sausage, get it chopped up nice on the Blackstone. Good stuff with onions and sausage and cheese. Looks pretty good, all right. The cheese is getting melty, making a mess, but it's okay. It's quite alright. It's all cooking in bacon fat, believe it or not. And it's got its own fat. That beef has got its own fat to cook in. And the sausage, of course, has fat to cook in. And my bacon getting crispy just the way I want it, because I want to be able to put that over the top of my salad. My taco salad. It's going to be great. Alright, let's get this meat cooked up, and I'll bring you back for the next step. Alright, the meat is pretty much done, so what we're going to do now is throw in a couple of cans of Rotel tomatoes or green chilies, liquid and all, in there. Right in the meat. And this one has, this one is called seasoned diced tomatoes, ready for chili dishes. So that's got seasoning in it as well as what I put in there, my root boy rub. We're going to mix that tomatoes up into that meat mixture right there. Try not to lose any of that. So far we've got a hell of a salad going. We've got onions, tomatoes, and meat, and bacon. So let's throw some black beans in there. Why not? Liquid and all. black beans into my chili salad. What is a taco salad? Taco salad. Let's get those beans in there, get them cooking. And this is almost ready to assemble. I got my bacon over here. I got to cut it up, dice it up, get those beans cooking, get them incorporated into that meat. This is the filling for a taco salad. How's it look so far? Not bad, huh? Yes, sir. Looks good to me. Smells amazing, let me tell you what. Yeah, I think that's going to be, it's going to be about it. We're going to let those beans cook a little bit. I think I'm going to shut this burner off. Let the other one stay on low. Just going to cook this up. And we'll assemble this taco salad. Yes, sir. That's looking good. You got beans, you got tomatoes, you got meat, you got bacon. What more is there? Oh, I know. Lettuce. You're probably thinking about lettuce. Okay. Stay tuned, you'll see. Okay, let's assemble this taco salad. I got some lettuce. I'll bet you didn't see that coming. Lettuce in my taco salad. You thought there wasn't going to be any lettuce, didn't you? Then we got some of that taco mixture to go in there on top of that. Let's put some more lettuce. Why not? Lettuce and some more taco stuff. Some more of that taco meat with the beans. We'll put some more lettuce. I don't care. I'm not proud. And also, we're going to put a dollop of sour cream on there. I'm going to put a dollop of sour cream right. No, that's too much. It's too much sour cream. Just that much sour cream right there. And then over here, I'm going to put some guac. Now, if you don't know, if you don't know me, I do not eat guac ever. So this one's going to be for my wife, and I'm also going to use this for the thumbnail because I know people love guac and they want to see guac on their taco salad. I didn't quite get it right, did I? It's close enough. Close enough. And what else? I need to wipe that bowl off. Hang on. Gotta get a paper towel. Oh, yeah. Okay. You know, I'm gonna make a messy bowl. That'll be where the printing will be. The guac, and of course, we're gonna drizzle some bacon on top of that, right? Because why not? We got bacon. Might as well put it on there, right? Yeah, that's it. That's taco salad, baby. Let's zoom in on that. Let me get a beer and fix mine without the guac, and then we'll take a taste. Stay tuned. Oh, you know what? I totally forgot the cheese. Got to put some cheese on there too. We got bacon, and we need some cheese. Putting the cheese on top of the of everything, so it looks like that. How's that look? Not too shabby, I think. Okay, let me get a beer and take a taste. Stay tuned. Okay, my taco salad's done. I got today's beer, Hop Bullet by Sierra Nevada, double IPA, baby. Double IPA for today. Had to have it. Needed a double. Oh boy. Let's pop the top off of that and pour some of that in my glass so I can take a taste of this taco salad with the bacon on it. Oh yeah. Sierra Nevada never disappoints. Hop Bullet. You know that's going to have some hops in it. Rob, you know that's got hops in it, right? Okay. Let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. Let's not waste any time smelling it. I know it smells good. Ah! That hit the spot, ladies and gentlemen. Let me tell you what. Did I bring a fork? That's the question. The answer is no. I did not bring a fork, but you know what I can do? I can take a piece of my... That's not going to work. I'm going to have to use a spoon. Oh boy. Sorry about that. I meant to bring a fork out here and I didn't. So I have to eat with a spoon. I was going to take a piece of that shell, you know, the taco shell. Anyway, let me get a taste of my taco salad. I'm exhausted. Oh yeah. That's good stuff right there. Got some sour cream. Got bacon in it. There's a piece of lettuce, look. Holy crap. I guess let's do but eat it. Oh yeah. Oh. That is awesome. Babies, do yourself a favor. Make yourself a taco salad. Do it up any way you want it. That's my way. Anyway, you know what I always say. If you don't like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard. I'll put an interesting fellow. His name is Poor Guy with a Griddle. With a Blackstone griddle. He's a cool dude. Go check him out in the iCard. Subscribe to me, ring the bell, all that silly stuff for YouTube. And yeah, we'll see you next week, okay? That's my video. Bye.